What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Bitcoin and on the exact setups that I'm currently watching here. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my new trades, then definitely watch this video till the end. You can see that right now we are testing this important bullish order block on a 30-minute chart. This order block is between levels 55k 400 and 54k 550. Me personally, I was waiting for this area because you can see, because we tested this area, we took liquidity under like all of these previous important lows. So right now with the support confirmation, this can be really great opportunity for a potential long trade. We had a similar bullish order block on the higher time frame. Right now we took the liquidity under, so the bullish order block is no longer there. But if you watched my previous Bitcoin analysis, you know that already there was like one interesting opportunity for a long trade. But let's now stick with this 30-minute time frame. Another opportunity that we will have here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under like this previous low, which means if we are gonna take the liquidity under this previous low and there will be a support confirmation in this bullish order block, then this will be, in my opinion, another opportunity. But me personally, right now I think there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna take liquidity under. So if we will confirm here support, this can actually be a first good opportunity for a potential long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this bullish order block, because if there will be breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And also you don't want to speculate for just a liquidity grab, because if we are gonna take the liquidity under, there is actually a higher probability that the market will continue to go down. So you don't want to speculate on the scenario that this will be just a liquidity grab. Your last take profit targets you can then put either above this first bearish order block or above this second bearish order block, which is between levels 59k 800 and 59k 370. This is, in my opinion, better last take profit target, and this can give you risk reward ratio up to 3.7. Of course, some of the profits I would recommend to take like under this first bearish order block, which is between levels 58k 500 and 58k 230. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be like 3, maybe 2.8, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good for a potential scalp trade. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on the current scenario, and if there will be the support confirmation, then this will be, in my opinion, a valid reason to open here a long trade. And if you, for example, want to help with trading and you want to copy all of my trades, then I highly recommend you to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If we take a look on the higher time frame, you can see that right now we are testing this, let's say, support area of this sideways channel. I know that we took a liquidity under with this previous dump, but this is still like a really important support area. So right now there is also a higher probability from a higher time frame that we are gonna go up. Also, you can see that the RSI is on the 12-hour chart really undervalued, because we are on the level like 22.88. And if we will, for example, switch to a daily time frame, you can see the RSI is still on like 32, which is again really undervalued. So from the higher time frame perspective, there is also, in my opinion, increased probability that the market is gonna go up, which you can take advantage of. And if the condition that I talked about on the 30 minutes time frame will be met, this can be a valid reason for a potential long trade. And if you want to create here some, let's say, long position on the higher time frame, then you can, for example, if you really want, you can place your stop loss, let's say, somewhere to this area, so let's say like 6%, and your last take profit target above the bearish order block on the daily time frame, because if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will just take the liquidity above, and then the market can reverse. So yeah, this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 5. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you will, for example, take like under these previous highs, then this previous high, and then you can save something to the last take profit target, then the risk reward ratio will be like 3.2, something like that, which is again really good. So if you want to trade this on the daily time frame, then this is the setup that I would take. But without like a support confirmation of an important bullish order block, this is still, in my opinion, kinda risky. And if we take a look on Bitcoin from a weekly time frame, you can see that we are still in the heavy bullish uptrend. And for example, from like this low to this current level, we are still up around like 265%. I know that when we were on the current all-time high, it was a pump by almost like 400%, and I'm expecting that we are gonna get to this previous all-time high really soon. But yeah, also you can say we are in the heavy bullish uptrend, so there is actually no point of making some short positions because you are going against the trend, and that's not always the best idea. So also from this really high time frame perspective, there is again increased probability that we are gonna go up, especially if we are testing like an important support, because you can see this is like an important support and this is important support as well. And if we are gonna go down, we still have support between levels like 53k and 51k almost, or like 50k 500, and then we have support on like 47k 83, something like that, which is still areas that we can retest. Me personally, I don't think that we will, but if we will, I will be really taking advantage of, and I will be creating some long-term long positions on these levels. Okay, so these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on Bitcoin, and if you want to be daily updated about the exact setups that I'm watching on Bitcoin and also on the other altcoins, then I highly recommend you to subscribe this channel and also join my Discord trading group, because this YouTube channel is directly connected with that. So yeah, if you want to know about all the trades that I'm making, as I said, I highly recommend you to join. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.